Hi guys, welcome back for part 2. So, what shall I do here? I think this next one I will unbox the stuff that I got from IPSY. That is one of my favorite beauty boxes at IPSY. For about $13 a month, I want to say. You get a cute little makeup bag with 3 little travel-sized samples, and it's usually really good product. Of course, you can always buy the full size off of their website. They do have next tier up where you can get like a glam bag and you get like full-sized products. I would have done that, but I honestly have so much stuff that I'd be bursting at the seams. So, but I think what the package that I got right here, and I have another one too. These are things that I just ordered off of their IPSY shop site. So let's see what I got here. Oh, these are my my brow pencils. Well, I have a lot. Oh my goodness, I have a lot of stuff to use for my eyebrows. So maybe I'll do another video someday soon that compares these 3 items to what I just got in my Juvia's Place box. So I think that's a good idea. You know, leave a comment, let me know what you think. But first one I'm opening here is from a company called, I might pronounce it wrong, but Trey Loose Beauty. Haven't tried anything from there, but another thing I like about IPSY is that they sell really good products, and they're also not very expensive either. So it's a good place to try higher quality makeup. And if you're not sure if you're gonna like it, you didn't lose that much. You know, you aren't out like, you aren't necessarily out like $20-25 on like a little thing like this. Not saying how much this costs normally, but anyway, so this is the Trey Loose Hello Brows. So, oh, okay, it's got a little pencil side here. And then over here, it's still like a pencil, but it's more angled. So, let's see. And this one is in the color brunette. I think that's the only one that was available whenever I ordered. This is like more like a fine tip. And whenever I do the video on these, I will make sure that I repeat what color they are and brand and everything. And then this one is, these are both by Benefit. And they are pretty well known for their eyebrow product as well. One of them is in the Warm Deep Brown number 4. The other one is the number 5 Warm Black Brown. So, open one of these bad boys up, show you. Okay. This one is the Warm Black Brown. Precisely My Brow Pencil. Precisely. Oh, that's not a lid. That's a, oh, I see. It's just a, I was trying to pull this off, but it's just a little, I don't know if you can see it, but little thing that comes up. So, okay. The other one is going to do that as well, I think. Yeah, same thing, just in the other color. Okay. Let me put this stuff away before I lose it and I roll my chair rollers over it and break it. No, I have to cry. Then here's the big bag Oh yes, I forgot I ordered these. These were like $3.50, I think. And these are obviously very convenient because sometimes whenever I get home from work, if I'm not ready to take a bath or a shower, I just pop one of these on, just wipe it off, you know. And it does have a very nice clean smell to it. Of course, can't smell crap right now because my nose is plugged up. And one of my favorite type of products, I've never tried one of these ones specifically, but if you see my other videos, you know I love my face masks. And I'm not talking the ones that you have to wear for COVID. I'm talking about these guys right here. A B12 complex infused with essence mask. Promotes healthy radiance. And rose water. Although I'm sure if I go to try to use one of these, the little one's going to see it and she's going to wet the other one. I love her. Put this away. Oh yeah, see the other one I had, and I was getting pretty low. Came just in time. Then I have this, which is the actual bag, which looks so cute. Okay. All right. So here's the little card that it comes in. And it details what products you've got and different ways that you can use them. Okay, I did find her. Oh! This is so cute! I have to hide this from the little one. She's gonna want it. Looks like I got more eyeshadow. Nice little mini palette. Now, whenever I hear a company call one of their palettes a mini palette, this is what I think of. But anyways, this is from, I know I'm going to mispronounce this one, Oriza Beauty. I've heard their name floating around a little bit. That's cute. I'll definitely use it. Like. And, ooh, NARS, a velvet matte lip pencil. I think I've had a couple of these and I like them pretty much. Nice. This one is in, what color are you? Dolce Vita. I think I have one. Oh. Making a mess of myself. Or this might have been in that little bit that I gave my daughter. Well, anyways. Either way, very happy about it. Got Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Retinol Cream. I think IPSY's trying to tell me something. That I'm getting old. Well, they'd be right. Oh, and it's by IT Cosmetics too. I've definitely heard of them. I've used a couple of their products too, so I'm very happy I got this. And ooh. What is this? Oh, this is so cute. Little bluey, pearly, glittery nail polish from Plum color affair. I've never heard of them, but I'll give it a try, and I'll definitely review this. This is in the color Be Good. Oh, it has avocado oil in it. Avocado. Interesting. Actually, this color is Moonlit. Interesting. And I can't. Ooh. Rebel Eye Pencil. What company is this? Because I can't read that font. Okay. Reina Rebelled. Rebelled? Someone please correct me. But yeah, this is like a nice, it's like a grayish, bluish color. I like it. I can rock this. Okay, so thank you for stopping by, guys. That is part 2. Like I said before, hit like, hit subscribe, hit me up if you have any questions or comments or suggestions. If there's another beauty product you'd like me to try, definitely look into it, especially if it's something that'll help with this forehead wrinkle. But yeah, go ahead, hit like and subscribe wherever the little button thing is. You can find it. And again, go out into the world, cause some chaos. See you later.